In this video series, I'm showing you different ways to make money online without affiliate marketing. And today we are taking a look at blogging. So today I'm going to show you step by step how to start a successful blog and not use affiliate marketing at all. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. We are going to start a blog step by step, and blogging still is a very good way, a very powerful way to make money in 2021 and going forward. A blog or a website basically just answers questions that people have on the internet. So people come to the internet millions and billions of times per day, and they ask basic questions like how to weave a basket. And as a blogger, you're going to answer those questions and any other questions that they have, and you can make money. And there are a number of ways to make money with your blog. But first, I'm going to show you real quick how to set one up. It doesn't take a lot of time. The first thing that you need to do is you need to get web hosting. Web hosting is basically where you're going to rent a hard drive space called a server so that your internet files can be seen on the internet. When you click the first link in the description, you'll be able to get both web hosting and a domain name. A domain name is simply how people refer to you. For example, the domain name for my primary site is alstongodbolt.com. That's a domain name. That's how people refer to you. What I recommend that you do is get a domain name that is based on your niche or your niche idea. So let's go ahead and get a niche or get a niche idea. And to do that, I'm just going to jump over to Amazon. The way I like to find blog ideas is to start with something that I know. Start with a product, start with a question, and then let the search go from there. So we could either start with Amazon and find products from Amazon, or we can type in a question. Earlier this week, I typed in how to become a nurse. So we typed in how to become a nurse, just like that. And I took this question. I'm going to copy this real quick. What I did was I kind of just scrolled through. I was looking for small and medium-sized websites where they're answering that question. Like all of these websites are either education websites or they are government-based websites. And these aren't going to be good ones because, they're trying to sell their education. And so what I did was I just kind of scrolled through and went to page 5, and I'm looking for small websites. And you can do this with anything. We could say like how to make post-it notes. And the reason why I came up with post-it notes is because I have post-it notes right here on my desk. And so we said how to make post-it notes. And if we scroll down here, we're just looking for small websites that are showing or answering that question. And then we're going to use this in order to find more keywords. So I'm just going to go through here. I'm going to go to page 3. And the other thing I want to do is bring up my keyword research tool. I use Ahrefs. It's a personal preference. You could use SEMrush, Ahrefs. I think Neil Patel has one as well, but I'm just going to do that. And then what we can do is we can keep scrolling, and I'm looking for small websites. MissDecomer.com. So let's open that one up like that, and then we can keep going. And what we're going to do is we're not going to write on post-it notes. I don't care anything about post-it notes. We're not interested in them at all. What we are interested in is we're interested in keywords. So if we keep scrolling here, it looks like these are still larger websites. Nobiggie.net seems interesting to me, so I'm going to open that one up as well. And what we can do is we can slide this over, and let's look at nobiggie.net. Okay, this is probably this person has probably put in a lot of time. As you can see here, what we're going to do is we are going to take this domain name, and we are going to copy this, and we're going to go back over to our keyword research tool, and I'm going to paste that in, hit enter like that, and let's see. And so basically what we're looking for is we're looking for the Ahrefs rank, and we're looking at the organic keywords. Okay, so 209, this is a pretty big website. This might be too big for our liking, but let's take a look in the organic keywords. The other thing we want to do is let's look at this website as well. So I'm going to take the domain name here. This is probably a pretty big website, and you'll be surprised which websites turn out to be big and which ones don't. So I'm just going to do Site Explorer again, open that up in a new tab, and I'm going to paste this domain name here just like that and hit enter. And then, so what we're looking for is, as you can see, these are the keywords that she ranks for. Dairy-free, gluten-free, free desserts. So we could create a dessert-based website, but more importantly, I'm going to change the keyword difficulty to 5 or less. 5 or less means we have a decent chance at ranking as a new website. If you look at this one, could be a good opportunity. She ranks for over 21,000 organic keywords, and her website is relatively small. So we're going to open this up. And again, we want to look for keywords where she is ranking 5 or less. And what we're really looking for is we're looking for ideas. We're not necessarily just going to take these keywords. I'm looking for ideas because I don't have an idea. I just have the ability to, kind of do some direction and some research. And you can do this too, as you can see. Let's see, car window painting. That could be something that's interesting. It gets 3,000 searches per month. That could be a niche where we make money, where we teach people how to do a car windows. We can make money with ads. It looks like there's a lot of searches there. Car window painting keeps coming up a lot with this website. Mini quesadillas right on car windows. So let's open this up in a new tab just like that. And if we go over to this one, Friday themes, teachers. So she's creating content about teachers. That could be an opportunity as well. Teachers want to get better and improve. They want to learn a bunch. So what is Paraprofessional Day 2019? These are some interesting keywords that we didn't even know what's out there until we do a little bit of research. Cheap teacher clothes. If we go back over here, you can see here that they're creating content about how to safely paint your car windows. Now, we didn't know that car windows was a niche, acrylic paint. So that could be an opportunity. Maybe we sell our own product. Maybe we just want to run ads. Like this website has ads on it, so she gets paid anytime someone clicks on it or views on a video ad for a long enough time. So you can make money that way. But we didn't know that was a niche until we did a little bit of searching. If we don't like any of these ideas, we can go back and we can keep searching, and we're looking for websites that are answering the question that, are kind of small. Conceptboard.com could be another interesting one. And you can do this with any product. You look around your desk and find a product. We could even do it. I have these balloons here. These are water balloons. So we could look up water balloons and start there. In fact, let's do that. We'll do water balloons. And what you're going to do is once you find, we got to spell water balloons correctly. Are water balloons the same as water balloons? So let's look up that, because that's a good question that people might be asking. And if we look at this, don'twasteyourmoney.com is probably a large website, but that's interesting because they are answering a question. If we keep going, again, we're going to go down to the 4th page here. Let's see, this one is interesting. Quora, we keep scrolling. Left in knots is interesting. We'll open that up as well. And you can see we just keep doing this process until we find something that we want to write on. We don't have to write on anything. We can find stuff that's interesting to us, and then we can start writing, start a blog. And there's a bunch of ways to make money with your blog. You can sell your own digital products. You can sell an online course. You can sell, maybe you create your own water balloons and you want to sell them. So if we take this website here, we'll see how large this website is. Go over to our organic keywords once again. And if we scroll up, so you go back to overview, I'm going to paste this in, hit enter, and we'll see how large this website is. But again, you can do this again and again and again. Okay, so this is a large website too, but you can go through, look at for the organic keywords and make money a number of ways. You offer group coaching, individual coaching, sell an online course. You can sell an ebook about, safe ways for your kids to have fun. Low carb chicken casserole. So she's writing all about different recipes. If we change the keyword difficulty to 5 or less, now again, we are just using this to find ideas. And then the next step is really just to start writing. You want to obviously create your domain name, get your web hosting, and then you want to start writing. And when it comes to writing, for example, let's, chandeliers for locker. Okay, let's copy that because I've never seen that before. We're going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in. Hopefully it's safe for work. I'll paste that in. And locker chandeliers. You could teach people how to make their own. You could sell your own through Etsy if that's what you wanted to do. But you can see that's a niche as well. And so what you'd want to do really is the next step is once you have your web hosting set up, you have your domain name, you want to go ahead and get a premium WordPress theme. And what we can do here is we can go over to a website called Theme Forest and get a premium WordPress theme. So I think it's themeforest.net. So we type in themeforest.net and you can come here and find premium WordPress themes. And I'll also leave a link to ThemeForest as well. And you can just type in, fun or whatever your niche is. So let's say our niche is about dating. Type in dating. And then as you can see, there are a bunch of WordPress themes for dating. The next step is simply to add it to the cart. You're going to check out and buy the WordPress theme, and then you're going to download a zip drive to your computer. Once you get that zip drive, you're going to unpack that zip drive, and there's going to be a second zip drive. We're going to take that second zip drive, and we are going to install it into the back office of our WordPress website. And to do that, we're just going to go over to our back office real quick, and we are going to go to, and then we're going to go to Appearance. We're going to click on Themes. And when you click on Themes, you're going to click on Add New, and then you are going to click on Upload Theme, and then you can drag and drop that second zip file right here, and then click on Install Now and Activate, and just like that, you've got a brand new WordPress theme. And then you want to make some changes to your website so that you can start getting traffic. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you change the site title, the tagline, make it congruent to whatever your website's about. Click on Save at the bottom, and then the next change you want to make is under writing. The next change you want to make is under reading. And under reading, you want to make sure that you change your homepage settings to either your latest post. Change your homepage settings to your latest post, and then make sure that this is unchecked. Discourage search engines from indexing this site. Click Save, and then you can change your permalinks. That's the other thing that you absolutely have to change. This is for search engine optimization. Change it to post name so that if you write on chandeliers, it'll say alstongodbold.com/closet chandeliers or whatever our keyword was before. And really, this is how you find a niche, and then you just start writing. And you want to write and answer your customer's question, because your customer has questions about a chandelier. I wish I could find it. This is gone. Let's see. Note water balloons, window chandelier. Okay, chandeliers for lockers. So your customers have questions like, what is a chandelier for locker? People are asking that type of question, and your job is to just answer that question and solve the problem. And then you can either sell them a product that you've made, you can sell them an ebook on how to do it themselves, or you can do a group coaching. Maybe the chandelier for locker, we know that that's most likely for a teenage girl that's in middle school or high school. Maybe you want to start a group for parents and mothers of teenage girls and boys, because that's going to be a challenging time. We've got a 6-year-old, and we can see the challenge coming around the corner. So maybe that's a group coaching that you could set up. You charge them $1 a month to be a part of the coaching, and you just kind of let them counsel and share their experiences and how to get over them. So there's a lot of ways to make money from a simple blog or website. And the cool thing is you can just add this right to your website. So if we go up here, you see how it says home, recipes, printables. She's selling printables. You could add a link for group coaching or a digital product that you're selling. But there's lots of ways to make money. I think that starting a blog is still profitable in 2021 and 2022, as we are fastly approaching that. If you want to learn more about selling your own digital products, click the second link in the description or go to 10daybusinessblueprint.com, and you'll learn how to sell your first digital product in 10 days. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell if this video or any other video on the channel helped you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.